goes on must come off. Removing a thick PPF film requires the right technique. I'm Nash Kirchoff with Brand Command, and welcome to the PrismaPro Method. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to remove PrismaPro off this hood. Using a heat gun, it's going to help us soften the adhesive, and by pulling at the right angles, we're going to get a nice clean removal. Keep your heat guns moving, and let's get to work. So today we're going to be removing this gloss metallic purple PrismaPro off of the hood of this Ford Focus. So I'm going to be using a heat gun as it's a little cool in here today just to help remove that removal process. It's going to help soften the adhesive. So we already got an edge picked up here. So I'm just going to be heating right in front of where I'm pulling. And when I'm pulling this material, I want to stay flat with the surface, and what that's going to do is help that adhesive come off and pull cleanly. As you can see, as I'm heating right in front of where I'm pulling at a nice flat angle. When we get over to those edges, just pull it around, and as you can see, this is a nice clean surface, no adhesive, nothing on the edges. As you can see, with a little heat, stuff is coming right off. I'm just working in sections here. Those edges can be tricky to get up, so what I like to do is, instead of always trying to start on the edge, if we work our way around to the edge, then we can work towards the edge this way instead of sitting there picking that edge up all the time. Notice when I'm heating the hood out in front of where I'm working. I'm not heating where I'm pulling, because that's going to make the film break. So if we stay just ahead of where we're going, comes up nicely. Come back, check your edges, make sure you got no little scraps on there. And as you can see, there's no adhesive on here. That's what we like to see.